Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We from group ArKotak will be showing you the brainstorming session and process of us of making our prototype ArKotak. Enjoy!
I like the game, but I like the
This
show.
will be the platform.
The episode, I mean.
We want this to be the building that we will see, and this
It's the VR thing. We put
connected
the
to
phone
the
over
VR.
like this. I think.
Ooh! Oh, you can use the VR function in YouTube.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm putting.
Oh, you're
roller
doing
coaster.
that?
Yeah, I'm trying to find roller coaster.
Ah.
Why is it not working?
This will be the strap to strap it to here.
The strap.
So this will be the VR.
Just if you pull,
Like
just
this?
pull the one outside,
Oh,
like this.
Tighten it.
Yes. Yeah.
tight.
Oh, you're weak as hell. Come here.
Dang, why is it not working?
It's like a
Oh,
Dang, you let it go.
yeah, because when I was holding it, nothing was happening.
Okay, so this is tightening it. Probably should have a
latch to hold it.
yes.
But it's gonna be hard
Rubber.
because this part is thick, no?
Yeah, probably you can use rubber here.
Yeah.
This. So this is the strap.
Yeah.
I mean, the reason why it's not working, not working, but it's not attached to the back of your head is because we haven't attached the part next to the thing. So we can attach this. Just want to make sure that, okay, it was fit, right? Like you put it like this.
Yeah.
Okay, so probably this is okay. But I want to leave this, but this above and the bottom part, I want it to be like fun, like
Why?
circular.
What?
Widens the visual. Because if this is close, right? I want it to be like this.
Not nearly a device in here. So is it really matter if there's a circle or not?
We only have one device, and that is on the thing, the phone. This is just to visual, imitates the prototype, the physical product.
Yeah, but like if you cut it over here, it's not just the. This might sound dirty, but it's like structural integrity. The box won't hold that way.
No, it will. Because we're not
Hey,
affecting.
you're a civil engineer, you know more than I do.
Yeah, because this. Okay. This is the part, the wall, right?
This is the part that like supports the structure, right?
This is the part that supports the structure.
Yeah.
So if we cut here, it is actually going to lessen the weight of the platform. It's not gonna affect. The only brainstorming without a brain.
So this is wobbling now, right?
It's giving Elia. Why did you record it like that? Record it properly, bro.
No, it's like because to look casual,
Did
like
you
to
record anything?
you know, it looks natural.
It's
It looks.
TikTok.
Excuse me. Yes.
So this is going to be the headset. This is going to be the strap. So it's going to be attached here. And the reason why we have this is because we want to make it stable. But for this part, we will cut it like from the inside, so the people who use this can see it from the inside.
Wait, so we only need one then?
No, because we need from the inside to make it more stable.
Is this already stable enough?
Right now, yes. That's the condition that I'm thinking about. Like right now, like if we keep this, probably we'll bring it around.
Oh.
Yes, that's what I'm thinking. Like probably not gonna be in the long term.
Okay.
But if we have to,
So we're nearly done. This is the
I mean, we are
Vibes,
technically
the
done.
bubble.
We're just doing the decorations.
Yeah.
I'm just doing the trees right now for the hologram of the visual for prototype.
so true. It's the building. This is sturdy.
Only an unstable. Whoa! 2 buildings!
I'll go around this
Is that
faculty.
enough?
Go around this faculty.
Huh? No.
Show it to people.
Oh my! We should do like 2 buildings.
2 towers.
Yeah.
Yeah, and an airplane would.
Yes.
I can learn making a plane for origami.